Hi, today we're going to make a baby crochet sole size 6 months, 52 stitches, and we're going to use 3-ply yarn. To start, slip knot, chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is divided into two, the heel part and then the toe part. So to start with the first round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then skip 3. 1, 2, 3. Now go to the fourth stitch, half double crochet. And then another half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the heel part, the small stitches. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the toe part for the bigger stitches. Now back to the heel part, we already have 1. So now continue 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 half double crochet. Now the toe part, that's 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 double crochet, and for the last stitch, that's gonna be 8 double crochet, so we can work around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if you notice on the top part, it's the bigger stitches. We're making double crochets. So to continue, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now back to the heel part. So that's 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for the last stitch, so we already have 3 stitches here. Now we're going to add 3 more. So that's 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the heel part, it's 6 stitches. And on the other side, the toe part, it's 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to close the round, slip stitch. Now on the second round, chain 3. Now for this round, we are going to be making V stitches on each side, the toe part and the heel part. V stitch. So this is just to make the stitch wider so we can work around the sole. So that's your first V stitch. So 1 half double crochet and then second half double crochet. 1, 2, and then another V stitch. So 1 half double crochet and then another half double crochet. So we are just making V stitches on the rounded part of each side of the sole. Now next, that's still 6 half double crochet. And then 6 double crochet. And on the rounded part of the toe, so that's gonna be 8 V stitches. So this is just to make the stitches wider so we can work our way back to the starting chain. So that's your first double crochet, and then second double crochet in the same stitch. So it's also called V-stitch. That's 2 stitches. So 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So as you can see, the toe part is flat and wider, that it allows more air or space to the shoe so that it's not too tight for the baby. So this is gonna be 8 V-stitch. Then your last V-stitch. So again, this is size 6 months for baby. Now 6 double crochet. And then 6 half double crochet. Go back to the rounded part of the heel. So there's 3 stitches, V stitch in each. So that's 1 half double crochet and then another half double crochet. So again, that's 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch. So it's V stitch. And then your second V stitch. And then your third V stitch. So we already made 2 V stitch from the start. Now we're just going to make half double crochet beside the starting chain. So there's your first V stitch, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then the last one, sixth V stitch. So slip stitch, and we're done with the crochet sole. Now we will need 2 crochet soles for each shoe. We're going to attach the 2 soles together So back side facing each other. And then insert hook. On the starting chain stitch. And then insert yarn. So I'm just using a different color to emphasize the process of joining the two soles together. So in this step, you are just basically gonna be making a single crochet stitch. So just make sure to insert the hook on both of the soles while you do the single crochet stitch. Okay, and we're almost done. And then slip stitch. And that's it, we're done. So that's 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs like. Bye!